Seedance 2.0 delivers cinema-grade, director-level control for your projects at a fraction of the cost of high-end rivals. Its primary strength is quad-modal processing. This allows you to upload text, images, video clips, and audio files simultaneously to define every parameter of a scene. The Director mode uses a specific reference tagging system for frame-level precision. By using @ in your prompt, you can pin character consistency to one image and camera movement to a specific reference video. However, this technology sits behind the Great Firewall of AI, creating massive friction for anyone outside China. Cheap access requires a Chinese phone number, domestic payment apps, and navigating IP blocks. Even then, you still deal with the real face ban. To prevent deepfakes, ByteDance strictly censors actual human faces. If your commercial ad requires a photo of a real actor or model, the official platform will likely block the generation entirely. This creates a difficult choice. You can either fight through the friction for low-cost access or pay a steep markup to a third-party wrapper site. Your chosen access method dictates your technical boundaries as much as your monthly bill. It determines what you can actually produce. To find the right path, we have to measure the different access methods based on their true cost and their administrative difficulty. The first path is the free tier, found on apps like Little Skylark and Daobao. These platforms offer daily free credits, but they are often functionally useless if you are working against a commercial deadline. Expect 30-minute server queues during peak hours, Chinese-only menus, and a mandatory SMS registration that usually requires a Chinese mobile number. The second path is the official high-friction route, Dreamina Basic. At $9.60 a month, this is the most cost-effective way to get professional AI video. High-end generations cost roughly $1 to $4 each. The hurdle here is the setup. You generally need to link a Douyin account and navigate international payment friction to get that price. You also remain under the real face ban. You will have to use AI-generated avatars instead of real human actors for your projects. Choosing the free or official route saves money while consuming time. This only works if your schedule is flexible enough to offset the subscription savings. The third path is the premium convenience route, using third-party wrappers like Global GPT or Seedance 2.0. These services provide an English UI, they accept standard credit cards, and bypass the Chinese phone number requirement entirely. This convenience has a high markup. Expect to pay between $11 and $41 per month, compared to the $10 official rate. Regardless of the path you take, you still have to navigate the most expensive trap: hidden credit multipliers. Testing a basic 6-second 720p prompt costs about 60 credits. Upgrading to 1080p resolution immediately doubles that cost. Adding native audio for sound and lip sync doubles it again. Finally, the retread tax. A 20% failure rate means you must budget extra credits for redos. A 1,000 credit plan shrinks rapidly under professional settings. Once you enable high resolution and audio, you are left with just a handful of usable clips. To find your verdict, we have to look past the features and align your specific needs with the correct path. First, check your location and your tolerance for technical friction. Is your time worth more than $30 a month? If you have zero budget and just want to test basic prompts, use the Dreamina free trial or the Daobao app. You will pay for this access with your time, enduring long server queues and lower resolutions. If you are an active creator producing high-volume social content on a budget, take the time to set up Dreamina Basic. To avoid the face censorship rules, you should pre-generate AI character references and use those to build your scenes. If you are a professional agency or a developer, skip the administrative delay and go straight to premium wrappers like Global GPT Pro. A higher fixed cost guarantees zero administrative delays and the ability to pivot to other models as soon as your project needs change. Seedance 2.0 requires a commitment to workflow as much as a budget for physics. Your final choice depends on how much technical friction your creative process can tolerate.